it's the 24th of December, Christmas time. Today's video was filmed... Oh, come back this way. Where are you going? Come over here, camera. Come over here. Today's video was filmed with myself and Cameron, or Cam, as we went on an adventure to find a model train. Cam has recently invested in buying a model train, and I've had great interest, and I wasn't setting out today to buy one. There was one that I'd seen that I'd like the look of online on Hornby, but I wanted to wait till after Christmas because money-wise, I don't want to go and blow 200 quid on a train set. However, you'll see in today's video, and at the end of it, what I end up getting, if I end up buying a train set or not. Cam bought a few things, we had fun. We didn't film Nuffies, we wanted to film in Nuffies, but it was too busy. And the owner of the people that were in there were talking about Formula 1, and they were a bit loud and effing and jeffing, so they were having a bit of a conversation, including some bad words, and obviously YouTube doesn't like those. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and this is a Christmas bonus for you guys, and I hope Santa brings you all the toys that you get, so enjoy.
See, they've not got a track part I really want.
Which track part you really after though?
I've already got it, but it's already knackered.
Why is it already knackered?
Because the dog laid on it.
So they're fragile then?
A bit.
See, I'm sort of regretting not going for Engage.
I'm not.
No, because you can get more space than...
But I need a proper train depot first, so...
Could build it like Rochdale.
Yeah.
But didn't they not have one in that range when we were at Nuffies?
No.
I feel like you're lingering around that 411.
Shut up. This?
Yeah.
I've not got £500 to spend on the 411 at the moment.
Do you not get...
I do, but I'm not.
Yeah, I'm sure they had, because that Syncraft was the entrance for it.
I've not got the room for a big station like that. I just want a big...
I like these. These are alright. Are you going to go for it?
I've got to. I'm sorry, Anne.
It's alright. If you don't like it, I'll buy it off you. No. It's third hand at that point. You're going to go for 59?
Yeah.
You made a decision?
Yeah.
You're right being in this video, aren't you?
Should be alright, yeah.
Told you what. We won't put the price on it then. We're saying that though, that Arriva. Which one do you prefer the most though?
I'm biased. I don't like Arriva. I didn't think you liked Arriva lookers.
I don't, but I think it's just... I think between the two of them, I'd go for one of these two.
The 47 and the 57.
That's the sort of like... I feel like that I see that more pulling for coal.
That's a Freightliner, so that's
That's what I'm saying. I'm sure I've seen more of these around.
These don't really get used on freight.
No, I've seen them pulling. What have they been pulling? I've seen pulling
Sleeper trains.
Yeah. I'm sure I've seen one pull lumber though. Over Blackburn. Over Blackburn, because we get a lot of lumber pulled over Blackburn.
You do. I usually see 70s on that.
And again,
I need to figure out what these sectorizations are, but these symbols mean what it's for.
Right.
That makes sense.
I wonder if Google will tell.
Here you go.
So they're carrying metals.
So that's petroleum.
No,
it's metals. Yeah, sorry. That's
That
construction.
Construction. That doesn't...
That's not there because I think that's a bit newer.
Older. Well, they're not older than ones.
I don't actually know. I think that might be privatisation.
Right.
Yeah.
I like the fact that it's weathered without like
That's nice.
dirty diesel. Same like this one that looks like it's weathered on top.
Yeah.
It might just be the shadow.
It could be.
But it's like under the bottom, no, like under the step though. It looks like it's got like road rash, like rail rash.
This one down here is distribution. 47 as well. That's construction as well. That's 60.
The Hanson doesn't have anything on it.
The Hanson's private sector. Yeah. That's also construction.
I like that as well.
That's
Harry Needle.
20. I like that AC electric. I don't. That was one of the early Southern electrics. But then Parcel's DMUs are quite interesting. If they were
These shunters?
No, the Parcel DMU.
No, I mean these ones.
Oh, them shunters.
Are they shunter trains?
Yeah.
I said they look very basic.
They are.
And then Tachi, I'm sure Tachi do shunter trucks as well. And
I think that's just using the Hitachi depot because that's Ruston.
oh, okay.
Oh, Hunslet, sorry, Hunslet, yeah.
145 though for that bottom one.
Nice, that though. So is that G and the R though?
I know, the problem is I just didn't expect myself to spend like 200 quid this afternoon.
Do you know how long you
Well, he's definitely coming back. It's 1 o'clock now, so
I can't afford that 150, but I would if I had the money. If I hadn't bought that train set today, I'd have bought that today.
Yeah.
Because I didn't expect to spend 150. I mean, a nice one to give me a £5 discount.
Yeah.
But I wasn't expecting to spend 200 quid. 180 for that wind off MPV set there.
Oh, that's a yeah, that's the RHTT.
Oh, it's not what I thought it was.
Why? What were you thinking of?
I thought it was more. I didn't think it was a freight. It looks like
it's not a freight. It's a track machine.
Yeah.
What about that 03? That little
I'd like to know what that is. That Midlands. How much that Midlands is?
Ask him.
He's not priced it. He doesn't know, does he? He said the guy's not priced all the stuff up yet.
Right.
He needs to.
Oh, there's another Parcels DMU.
That LMS 1000.
Which one? Oh yeah, that's one of the early. I think that's one of the first diesel locos ever made. Well, not ever made, but for the UK.
All right.
Mainline.
Golden Eagle. I don't know if that is that in. Is there one of them in York in the museum?
Yeah, that's a Mallards. It's in most of them are preserved. They're all over. They're all over the world. Them A4s. The Flying Scotsman's there as well. But, yeah.
Where's the Flying Scots?
That one.
Oh, that Flying Scots. I didn't even see that.
4472. Yeah.
It's missing its front though.
Oh, bless.
Unless that's that there.
Huh?
There's that little round bit there.
That's the cab.
Yeah, I'm saying it's missing. No,
that is its front. Yeah. I like that little Great Western tank as well. I'm not big on steam trains.
I'm not. That's why I wanted to avoid steam if I was going to do it. But again, if there's something that jumped out, if something jumped out,
yeah,
I'd be willing to get it. I mean, like
50 quid, you could get that.
Yeah.
That's not bad actually.
But then you need the carriages to go with it. You can't just have a train with no carriages.
Get a few little cheap freight wagons.
Maybe worth getting a resin printer.
You will have to want it. I'm gonna try and get that 59 now.
Your bank account's gonna be like, no.
Right. I'm just after one of these here. That's alright. This blue and orange one. Oh, I know where these are. Yeah. Thanks.
There's all this as well, isn't there? Like,
£80 very cheap for a local automatic.
is it? 1970s urban workers, but I feel like they're in scale again. Yeah, they are in scale.
They are, yeah.
That's what I mean. It feels like there's more. Yeah, I found you. You're the one in the yellow jacket.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, I didn't expect that though.
Huh?
Just.
all right.
having a look at this one here, the blue and orange one.
Okay.
Sorry, going that way. You can get some pretty good deals on carriages.
They don't require a lot, do they? With they're just
No, that's it.
plastic bottoms, aren't they?
Yeah, I like it.
With box on the left hand. Oh, on the rear.
I mean, I would be if there were a price on that, I might say.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's a nice little wagon as well.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
I might have to take a couple of wagons after this. I'm not joking.
You might be back.
I might do that. I might just pick up something now if that's. What's this called? That might be worse. Picking up.
That one in, like I said, the one in Colne that I went to last had a lot of trains.
You'll have to take me to that one.
But I don't know if it's the same guy and he's moving down. But I don't know. This is handy though.
This is good though.
Because it's not just the fact that it's the advice as well. Because there's bits that I don't know about, and getting that advice would be handy.
Well, you've got other people's sources as well. You've got me, Rosie, and whoever else.
Has Rosie got a model train set?
Yeah, I think so.
It's about 32.85 plus 50 cents. There's all numbers on end of these, and the box isn't there. Where were we going to put the box? I can't see.
Are you debating more trains?
I'm debating, but it's obviously I have to be financially responsible. That's the problem.
Yeah. I wouldn't recommend getting a DCC one.
No. I think it's these ones that I'm like, the one that we in the next to the Arriva one, yeah, and the Sprinter as well. But I want to know what type of layout I'm going to make first.
Yeah.
And again, that if I knew what that box was and how much that was.
You've already got a HS, so you can mix and match carriages.
I know, but I was saying like I would have preferred that over that.
Yeah, but you don't get the train set with that.
I know you don't get the train set, but I know probably that's a better value.
Yeah.
But I think I prefer that livery over GWR.
You can get that livery. You can get coaches and stuff.
I know. I'm saying, but I prefer that. It's weird because it's the same front end, same colour. I just prefer the Midland main line over the GWR. But I'm happy with what I've got.
Yeah.
I wasn't going to pull the trigger. I don't normally just pull the trigger and buy something. I would have sat at home for at least 3 days, mulling about it.
Oh yeah, I'll get it.
And then never got it until like we went back out again, and you were like, "Go on, just buy it."
You know you want to.
Yeah, no, I definitely want to, and that's the whole part of why we've gone out today. Like, but I was looking to see what I was going to spend, and then I've spent more than I want to. And all this lot confuses me. Like, what on earth you do with all this?
I don't even know what that is myself.
No.
So I think
But I see
DCC parts.
DCC concepts.
Yeah.
So I don't know if it's to make these run differently, but then it looks like it. I don't know what this is.
That's a DCC controller.
So yeah, I feel like my newest hobby is going to cost me an arm and a leg. I'm gonna have to sell my airsoft stuff now, just to fund this. To Colne, and we had no idea this one existed until we quickly Googled it, and it luckily came up in Google.
Yeah.
What's that?
It's a couple wagons, Freightliner wagons. Well, there's no price on it, so I'm not sure if
You can always wait.
No. I'll need to get back at some point today. It's Christmas.
It's
I've
Christmas!
got wagons anyway, it's a car and a home, so...
Oh, did you get wagons at last place?
Yeah, I got 3 or 4 wagons at last place.
I kind of want this. But I don't know if it's 134 quid or 229.
What's this one? Good spot, that.
Yeah, that was all down to one. Thanks, Dan.
It's alright. I've worked in retail long enough to know when to see what boxes are the boxes. You want to work in back of Tesco, that place is like a hellish hole to find boxes for things.
That's something to be proud of, man.
It's not proud at all. I'm not proud of working there.
Yeah, that's right. So, I don't know if I've got it all in cash though, so I'll find out now. 2, 4, 6, 8. That's 80.
That's it.
2, 4, 6, 8. Yes. There you go.
There you go, mate.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thanks very much.
Thank you very much.
Is that your Christmas bonus spent?
There we go.
Thank you very much for taking the time today for us.
Look, you're welcome. I thought he might have been back, but he's obviously spending time with.
Yeah, it's understandable. It's Christmas. We were just like, it's the only time because I'm a bus driver. He works on the trains. It's the only time we've had off together to go hunting.
Yeah.
I am.
It's really nice, actually. I'm gutted that I just, if I had the money and you didn't get hard, I pulled the ball.
I'll let you buy it off me.
We'll see about it.
I would say absolutely. I've got some things that I wanted.
So, this is in, I don't know where this is, Barrowford?
Barrowford, yeah.
Barrowford, just off the M65, first junction at roundabout. There's literally a little train shop inside a garden centre. Absolutely recommend it. They are just moving in. But yeah, once they get themselves...
I'm glad they are just moving in because I'd have brought more if they weren't.
You would have done, wouldn't you? If there were more pricing, you'd have been like, screw it, my card's there. It's a good thing you don't have a credit card,
Yeah, it is.
because your credit card would be rung up. It is a really nice set though. Kind of reflection. Ah, you jammy bastard. Merry Christmas to myself and to you guys. Merry Christmas to you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. We bought ourselves the GWR high-speed train. It's if I could have got the one that I wanted, I wouldn't have gone for the Great Northwestern livery. However, it's a great starter set, and the guy at Nuffy's, he made sense. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button. We are going to be doing more, and clearly I've won over the young one. So we're going to be doing more with model railways in the new year. We're going to be building, exploring, and looking into how a newbie such as myself is going to manage to build a model railway. So there's loads of stuff coming about model railways in the new year. So I hope you enjoy this one. It's a little bit of a diversion away from what we normally do, but it's something different and we're diversifying. So I hope you enjoyed the video. See you again in the new year.